65 counties in Ohio and Kentucky and the city of Cincinnati are suing the big three drug distribution companies.
The lawsuits claim the companies failed to protect communities from the flood of highly addictive opioids. Not on your side's Craig Cheatham has the story.
You have any weapons on you? Any needles, knives, guns, bombs, drugs?
The impact of highly addictive opioid drugs are seen on the streets.
This is where he is laid to rest.
And in the graveyards of America. Since July, 65 Kentucky and Ohio counties have filed lawsuits against the big three drug distribution companies, AmerisourceBergen, McKesson and Cardinal Health, blaming them for not reporting suspicious orders as required by law and allowing opioids to flood the market.
It was the most horrible thing I've ever experienced in my entire life.
Carol Wagner's son became addicted to opioid pills prescribed by a doctor. He died of an overdose in 2005.
Chad was on the edge of his bed with a blanket over his head, and my husband ripped the blanket off. He was gray and he was foaming at the mouth. And my husband got down on his knees and tried to clean him up. And I jumped up on the bed and tried to cradle him in my arms. And my daughter stood in the corner screaming.
We are suing these large pharmaceutical companies whose products have ravaged our communities while the companies have made billions, yet they haven't provided the first real dime to help us repair our communities, to help make up for the harm that's been caused.
In statements to 9 on Your Side, AmerisourceBergen said, beyond reporting and stopping orders determined to be suspicious, we also provide daily reports. McKesson said they take their responsibility extremely seriously and that they are doing everything they can to address the crisis. Cardinal Health said it has state-of-the-art controls and that copycat lawsuits will do nothing to stem the crisis. Kentucky Attorney General Andy Beshear added Endo Pharmaceuticals to the list of company that state is suing.
Their products, Opana and Opana ER, caused the overdose of over 190 Kentuckians last year.
In July, Endo agreed to follow the FDA's request to pull its opioid, Opana ER, from the market. The FDA says it's the first time it has taken steps to end the sale of a currently marketed opioid due to the public health consequences of abuse. Endo says neither the FDA's request nor the decision to remove Opana ER reflect a finding that the product is not safe or effective when taken as prescribed.
It's all about money, and they've got to be held accountable.
As the opioid crisis continues to take a toll in the tri-state, more communities are suing to make the drug companies pay the price. Craig Cheatham, 9 on Your Side.